This type of integrations, the shortcut way is we have this formula. Okay. Now this formula is a raised to e raised to mx plus b upon c into e raised to mx plus d is given by this formula. How to remember? B upon d into x. 1 by m is what? E raised to whatever coefficient we have, e raised to 3x. If it is 3x, then it should be 3x over here. If it is e raised to minus 5x, then it should be minus 5x. Okay. After that, 1 by m, then ad means this into this minus this into this upon c into d, this constant term, into log of denominator. Okay, let's apply this. Within few seconds, you will get it. Otherwise, normally what we used to do is we have to separate this upon this and 5 upon this, and then we need to use substitution and then do integration. Okay. Without that, within few seconds, you can get this answer. Integration of this is equals to this upon this. Here a is this a, b, c, d. Okay. Here 5 by 4x plus 1 by, what is m? Here e raised to 1 over here. Okay. 1 is what? 1 is 1 by 1. Here this into this. 2 into 4 is 4 into 2 is 8 minus 3 into 5 is what? 15 upon CD. Okay. 3 into 4 is here 12. I am solving slowly so that you can understand. Okay. Into log of denominator, this is what? 3 e raised to x plus 4 plus c. You can solve this and this is the required answer. Okay. Now what about this? This equation is what? This I can write here into 0. Okay. In order to make this form of here, I have some 1 is here. Therefore, this is the integration. This is what? 0 by 5. Okay. 0 by 5 is 0. 0 into x is, we don't have to write anything. 1 by m. 1 by what is m? M is what? Minus 3 into this into this. Okay. Here 5. 5 minus 0 is we have 5 upon CD. 5 into 2 is what? 10. Then log of denominator 2 e raised to minus 3x plus 5 plus c. Okay. Here you can cancel it or you can keep like this. Okay. So these are the shortcut way of this form integration.